I just looked at my last video I posted. My parrots are so funny. Mimi Bird was Screeching, my son Conure Parrot, because my handyman friend was coming up the driveway. She was warning me and I wasn't paying attention. And then when I was complaining about my food struggles, Suri Bird, the little pineapple Conure Parrot, was like, no screeching. I don't know if you can hear her in the background. She's basically telling me not to complain or to shut up. Because I tell them no screeching when they squawk. And I don't know if she was telling Mimi no screeching or she was telling me no screeching. I'm sure she was telling both of us no screeching. Anyway, I had to put them upstairs in the room because my friend's on the roof and they can hear her and they're just squawking. That was so funny. This is funny.